Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Monday, April 23rd. And for today, looks like plenty of sunshine, highs up close to 70 degrees. Sure is going to feel nice out there. And then tomorrow will drop with some clouds moving in around a tenth to maybe 1500s to 2/10 of an inch of rain. And that would be mainly for tomorrow and tomorrow night. And the temperatures will be down around 60 for highs. And then we'll be in the 50s from Wednesday through Friday, which will be about 5 to 10 degrees below normal. But again, a really nice day today. You can see the forecasted highs across the area, and you can see the look outside the window this morning. And if we look at the highs and lows for yesterday, we had a nice high of 62 and a low of 34. And that's only the second day this month we've been above normal for the day. No snow, obviously, and hopefully we can remove this here pretty soon. No precipitation through the weekend, just a nice weekend to be outside. Again, our normal high is 61, the normal low is 37. If we look at conditions around the area this morning, see temperatures mainly in the 30s, down to 31 at Newaygo, and we're readjusting some of the sizing with the addition of Lakeview to make more room. But again, pretty mild, low 40s across southeast lower Michigan. Going to be just a fantastic day to be out again. You can see as we look at the soil temperatures on Friday, we said we'd see these really warm up over the weekend into this week. And if you look at what they are today, about 8 degrees warmer at the 8-inch and 16-inch levels now in the mid-40s. And we're going to see those really jump today. Even though the 2-inch level right now is 36, it's the rapid up and down of the 2-inch level with the sun coming out. We'll see, again, most of these days, here's a 50-degree line right here. So more than half of the day over the last 3 days have been above 50 degrees for the majority of the day. And we'll, we'll continue to see that rise here today into much of the week. And even though we'll cool off a little bit as we get towards the end of the week, we'll still see these deeper soil 4, 8, and 16-inch type temperatures get closer, if not above 50, and that should allow things to begin to grow. And if we look at satellite view this morning, you can see our weather maker. It's moving off to the south, but it is throwing some moisture up towards the Great Lakes here, and that'll give us some mid and high level clouds today, but I think there'll be enough filtered sunshine where I think the warmest temperatures will be in that Lansing up towards Mount Pleasant area, where I think many areas could touch 70 degrees today. And our next weather maker shooting a storm up towards the Gulf of Alaska, and that's going to start to dislodge a few cold fronts. That's going to help cool us down here for the second half of the weekend and next week. And so a little bit cooler temperatures, so enjoy another above normal day today as we'll get back to near normal and then below normal for the second half of the week into the weekend. But overall for the Shepherd Maple Syrup Festival, really very little rainfall expected over the next 7 days. And again, you can see on radar this morning some of that activity off to our south. Again, the heaviest rains will stay way south of Michigan. We pick up about 1 to 2, maybe a quarter of an inch of rain here over the next 7 days. And the weather map, this is, if we look at Tuesday morning's weather map, this is a system that would be sliding towards the Great Lakes, kind of merging with this system as a trough will develop and move to the north. And again, that's going to allow for some scattered showers here over the next 24 to 36 hours. But again, amounts should be quite light. And then behind this cool front through Wednesday, we'll see temperatures drop back into the 50s. So again, we'll say goodbye to the very nice warm conditions we had over the weekend, and especially for today, which will be the warmest of the days. As far as how much precipitation here over the next 7 days, you can see pretty minimal amounts. Most of the area, about 1 to 2/10, a little heavier in southeast lower Michigan and up in northern lower Michigan. But again, not a whole lot, as the bulk of the heaviest rains will be well south of the state. As far as the forecast goes today, what a great day. Get out there and enjoy 70 degrees with lots of sunshine. We may actually be in the 60s early tomorrow, depending on when the clouds really thicken up and the rain begins. We'll get about, again, anywhere from tenth to possibly a quarter of an inch across the area, and then we'll clear out and we'll see temperatures mainly in the 50s over the next few days. Maybe partly sunny with a few showers later on Friday. But again, the weekend right now looks pretty good for next weekend with temperatures in the mid-50s to possibly low 60s, and we'll update that all week. As far as weather watch, nothing out there. High and dry. Again, looks like a great day across the Great Lakes. Thanks for stopping by. Have yourself a great day, a great work week, and 73s to all.